Now let us find out which one of these we are valid addresses. Now we already know the range of IP addresses is 0.0.0.0 to 255, 255, 255, 255. Now if we are going to write that address 192.168.11.300, now this is not a valid address because 300 is greater than 255, so this is invalid address. And what about this 192.168 minus 11.10? Now again it is less than 0, so it is again not valid address. Now what is about this 192.168 11.10? Now it is within the range, so no issue, this is valid address. And what about this 172.24 10.10? Again this comes under the range, again this is valid address. We can also check if you are going to go into the TCP property, and if you are going to enter the address 300, what it is going to show you. 300 is not a valid entry. Please specify a value between 0 to 255. Let me show you this. So when we are going to Ethernet card, I am showing it in window 10. So when we are going to open this, let me right click properties. So when we are going to open this TCP IPv version 4 properties, and if I am going to enter it 300 here, now what it is showing, not a valid entry. And suppose if I am going to type minus 10, so it is not letting me type minus symbol, only 10 it is allowing me. That means the value cannot be less than 0 and it cannot be more than 255. That means it validates our points. That means when we are going to type 300, what message it was giving? 300 is not a valid entry. Please specify a value between 0 to 255. That means our addresses range is between, it cannot be less than this and it cannot be more than this. And these are our valid addresses, invalid and valid addresses. And if we are going to enter any other value, it is going to give you error.